Good morning, guys. So today is one of those days when you just have to just chill at home. It's so wet outside. I don't know if you guys can see. In fact, it's dark. It's dark outside. I look at the time. This is yeah. So hello, little one. Hello, Jasmine. Hello. Hello. Jasmine is teething at the moment, so last night was just something else. She was just waking up all the time, and I'm just so tired. Hello, Alicia. Oh, look at this hair. Ooh. She doesn't even like her hair being made. Don't like your hair being made. Hi, your hair. So I'm going to, don't mind my dressing gown, I'm just tired this morning. So I'm going to feed Alicia and then feed Jasmine. I'm sure Jasmine is going to go back to sleep this morning, so that will be good. If she sleeps, then I'll try it. And then if Alicia sleeps, then I can get some sleep, but then if not, then I'm stuck. That's one of the ways. That's what happens when you have a little baby. When you have a little baby. When you have a little baby. If she does not sleep, then if Jasmine sleeps, then we'll have to wait for Alicia to sleep before you can get some sleep. If not, I just have to be awake. So I'm gonna get breakfast for these two little pretty girls. Yes, two little pretty girls. Yeah, yeah. I just have to make Alicia some cereal. Alicia loves this particular cereal. Don't wear your okay, shoes. Peekaboo. Peekaboo. Oh, peekaboo. Look at it. Yeah. Thank you, Alicia. So we just finished having breakfast, so we're just going to stay at home and do nothing. Because it's still wet outside and there's no need taking the kids out on a wet day like this. So we're gonna stay at home. Okay guys, so we just brought down our Christmas tree and I decided I wanted to make scotch eggs. That was just a sudden decision. So we are going to get some sausages. We don't have any in the house, so that's where we're going to, and we've not gone out for.
What a riveting thing to do. Go and buy sausages.
I've not gone out for 2 days with the kids, so that's just a way of getting them out of the house. But I usually take them out, but we couldn't go out yesterday. And we couldn't go out on Thursday as well. Today's Saturday.
On a more interesting note, I think I'm going to go and replace FIFA with PES.
Oh, okay.
That's much more interesting. I'm fed up with FIFA. It is disappointing.
Alicia, are you ready?
So that's actually the real reason I offered to go and drive.
Oh, that's
because
good.
you know, not because I want Scotch eggs, but I want to replace my computer game.
Okay. Alicia, are you ready? And I made this hair for Alicia because she's always crying each time I comb her hair, so this will save us tears. Morning tears. Jasmine, she refused to sleep. So I think going out will do you good. Yes, it will.
Let me finish this game and then...
No, babe, let's go now.
Just 2 minutes. 2 minutes. This is
what I face every day.
This is my last game of FIFA. I've had enough of it.
Let's go before it will be 6 o'clock.
It will not be, hey.
I don't want Alicia to sleep and not sleep at night.
It's only 2:45.
I know, but we need to come back
to
home.
the beach, picking up your sausage. That's it, I can say.
Yeah, so guys, that's what we're up to. That's what we are up to. Alicia, can I put on your jacket?
It's so rubbish!
Just look at that. There's someone that is playing computer games. Whatever. Let me get Alicia's jacket. Ooh.
Why?
That's what people do when they play games. They speak to themselves. They scream at themselves. Okay, let's get the jacket, babe. We need to go though. We need to go.
I'm going.
We need to go, honestly.
Because I want
to come back.
Because you've clearly made yourself all nice, and I have put on my pajamas. This is like the worst I could possibly look.
No, you're alright.
The t-shirt is awful.
You'll be alright.
So old.
You'll be alright.
Faded. I don't know what's happened to it in the wash.
You'll be alright.
My clothes have died.
Let's go, babe. Let's go, please.
I'm going to hack him.
And this is Alicia's handwork. Look at the state of the living room. That's good. I've got Jasmine here. Yeah, she's smiling. Look at that smile. Yeah. Thought you said you were dressing up. Is your dressing up? Oh well, you look good. Some crow. Alicia, put on your boots.
This is what I always wear.
You told me to get Alicia's boots.
Really?
Alicia, come let daddy put on your boots, okay?
Which bit of that was daddy? That bit, yeah. Okay. Alright.
Okay.
Keys. You've got Jasmine, I've got Alicia.
Yeah. Okay, guys, we're off.
You put the kitchen light out, babe, please. Come on, Jodie. Alright.
We just got to the shops. We'll just carry her. I'll carry her. We didn't. It's in the house. You forgot to. You don't have the wheels. David thought we had the wheels. He was like, we just take the wheels with us. I love this store, guys. This is our best store for toys.
We're here for one reason, darling.
Yeah?
We're here for one reason.
I know. But come to think of it, I have a gift card from Smith. Let me say we're here for one reason. I'm not trying to branch into the toy shop.
All your gift cards are actually.
I wish we brought the wheels. This is kind of heavy. Focus. Whee! Where are you going to, babe? Babe, help me carry the car seat. Oh, look at who is talking. Help me carry the car. Look at who is talking. I thought you said we were not going to enter here. Guys, just look. Look at him going in. I think we're here to get Davis' game. Is it your PS4? You can put Jasmine, but Alicia don't. Oh, look at Alicia's legs. Daddy loves her. Oh, Alicia, look at what Daddy did to your feet. Babe, did you see her feet? No, please, I just her shoes. Oh, Alicia, what did Daddy do to you? Two left legs.
Oh, shoes.
Yes.
What was that?
You didn't understand what I was saying. You put two left legs. Oh, that's lovely. Good job, Dad.
Sorry, darling.
Oh, and Alicia.
This is so stupid.
That's good. David bought PS3. Instead of...
You have PS4 on the shop.
Okay, guys. David has been doing strange things. Number one, he put Alicia's shoes the wrong way. Then number two, he bought PS3 video game instead of PS4. He's lucky he has not paid for it. He would have come back here alone to return it. Oh, look, Alicia has seen something that she likes. Do you love it? So David had to go in to get the sausages because Alicia saw a toy at Smith and she refused to leave that toy. So she was crying. There's really no need taking them into Asda. So we're gonna wait in the car for David to come back. I think that's a wise man game.
Okay, we have a
He
choice.
just returned. What choice?
Richmond.
Okay, cool.
Or some proper sliced sausage.
Okay, it's nice. That's good.
Right. The Pro Evo quest is not over yet. I had to look for PES, Pro Evo Soccer and Asda there, but
I don't have
it's out of stock.
lots of stuff. Is it like you need to pre-order it or?
No. It's been out for like months. It's been out for like 6 months.
Oh, okay.
And I'm hoping that the price is less now.
Less now, okay.
So if you try and download it off PlayStation, it's full price. I'm not paying full price for it. No way.
It's important to get it on sale.
Exactly.
So we are heading home.
No, we're not.
Where are we going to?
Somewhere else.
Are you serious?
I'm on a quest.
What's going on here?
You're on for the ride.
What's going on here? Look at David. I don't know what he's up to. Thought we were heading home. He's saying we are going somewhere else. What are you actually looking for? Yes, for what?
That computer game.
What's it called?
Pro Evolution Soccer 2017.
Pro Evolution Soccer.
Pro.
Okay. Guys, I don't know this thing, so.
Pre-evolution soccer.
that's
It's
why I
played with
called-
dinosaurs.
That's why I called it Pre-Evolution. What?
I think maybe pre-evolution instincts.
Pro-Evolution. What did you say?
Whatever you think, darling. Pre-evolution.
Pro-Evolution Soccer 2017.
Pre-elevation. And the problem is, I'm not even going to get to play it much tonight because we've got to watch The Voice.
The Voice, what time is it?
Oh, but it's adverts though, so we're delayed. Right.
So where are we heading to, bro?
I don't know, sis.
Where are we heading to, dude?
I have options. I've got to get to a game.
I'm not sitting at the car park. I'm going to come out.
Ah, you are.
Huh? I'm sitting in the car.
If you want.
No. I'm sitting in the car at that car park. No. David is in search for a video game. That's cool. Very soon I'll be in search for a pair of shoes.
You don't need it anymore. I have not bought a new
And I'm going to go
PlayStation game
around.
for a year.
I'm going to go around the country.
I can't even put anything in cupboards for your shoes.
I'm going to go in search for a pair of shoes, a particular pair.
No, this
And
is
I'm going
just
to
like
visit different countries.
You
in
sent me on a
search.
wild goose chase the other night to buy Fairy Non-Bio. Every supermarket in the northeast.
I'm going to go in search of a pair of shoes.
And it was still showing.
And I'm going to travel around
here.
countries to look for it. And I'm very sure I won't find it, so that'll keep me traveling.
At least I know what I'm looking for. You're looking for sort of never endless pair of shoes, alright? There's a bit of red trouser to get across the road.
The search continues, guys.
It's a quest. It's not a search. It's now a quest.
Quest. Alright. Let's come on. We just came out to buy sausages. And now.
No, we didn't.
Oh, okay, you knew.
I always.
He knew. That was why he agreed. I was wondering. You know, when I asked David, can he go with me to go get some sausages? He was like, yeah. He was excited to go. I'm like, David, I know he wouldn't. He would say no to that.
I never ordinarily want to go.
Exactly, ordinarily. He wouldn't go with me. I should have been smarter than this. He knew. He came out to buy PS4 video game. So, I'll pardon you for that, babe. Like I said earlier on, I'm going to go in search for a pair of shoes.
How many times have you dragged me to this place unnecessarily?
I'm going to go in search for a pair of shoes soon. And I'm going to visit so many countries until I find those shoes. And I might not even find them.
Do you just want to stay with Alicia in the car?
The Joker of the year. Wonder why we didn't come with the wheels. We thought we were just going to buy sausages, but we didn't know we end up like this. I'm going to visit so many countries to get those shoes, and I have to find those shoes. So Dave, or babe, watch out for that period. And please don't be angry then.
I won't be angry.
Let's go get David. Do they have it? Alicia, come. Do they have it? They do. Yay! We finally found it. Guys, look at this. Yay! We found it. Yeah, we need to celebrate. We need to pop champagne. Our search is over. Alicia got FIFA too.
How for you? You playing FIFA? Girl, thank you very much. I like your boots. They're very nice.
Thank you.
Yeah. Very cool.
Yeah, she just woke up from sleep.
All right.
That's why,
I wish I had a sleep. Oh, lucky you.
So guys, if you're looking for any video game is a place to visit. Visit games, literally.
Yeah.
Even if you can't find it in other shops, come to Game. They'll definitely have it. She loves to smile. Yeah, that's right. You're so pretty.
We're going to hold the pre-orders for 48 hours. If you don't make it within that time, unfortunately, the coffee could become free.
Can somebody pick it up for her?
As if they have this.
Yeah,
then,
so I can pick it
yeah,
up for you
totally.
because you might not be here.
That's fine. Thank you very much, and I'll staple your copies.
No, but it's true. Why are you laughing?
Sending you to pick up my computer game.
Why are you laughing now? If you want, I won't pick it up. I'll just leave it. They'll return it.
I'll be here.
Honestly, I'm doing you a favor here.
You're
After
offering
48 hours,
yeah,
your game goes
yeah.
back.
Okay, darling.
So,
With the reward card,
Alicia is busy.
says,
Are you busy? What's this? What's this you have? What do you have here? This is. Alright, bye. Bye. Anyway, she left. So we got what we are looking for, guys.
Felicia, why are you walking in such a gammy fashion?
So we're heading home. I just hope I still have time to make my scotch egg. I'll feed Alicia.
There's loads of time.
I know, I'll feed Alicia and Jasmine first before I do it. Okay guys, we're going home. Bye. David is downloading. Baby, is this a game?
Yes.
David is downloading this. It's interesting. Hello. Interesting. Okay, Alicia is eating. I'm going to feed Jasmine. And then we can kick off with a scotch eggs. Let's see what it looks like on the inside.
Let's go for the wee one, darling. The wee one is the obvious one to choose. Ah.
This is a scotch egg.
Yeah. Well, it smells very nice. That is magnificent. That is so good.
It's nice.
Wow. Oh, wow.